Hey, we are rocking. This is the third video in this series. The first one was my SD card setup. Second one was my computer setup. Third one is going to be my backups on a drive. So how many backups do you need? 1, 2, 3? Well, stick with me. I'll fill you in. So let's not hold secrets. I like 3 copies. And if you watch my overview video, I'll put the link above up here. I give you 4 places to keep them, but I do not count the SD card, so you'll only get 3 locations to count. This video is about the second copy, so don't count the SD card. The last video was how I store my photos on my computer, which is in fact an external SSD because it's fast. My backup, and I'll show you a picture of it. My drive is over here to my left. I have 4 terabyte drives, and I copy my files from my SSD to my backup. Same folder structure. If you haven't seen the video, I'll put a link above here from last week's video so you can see the folder structure. No different. It's just they are a different set of drives. Now, the benefit of these drives is they're really, really cheap. I buy the spinning disks. I do not buy SSDs. Yes, it takes a while to copy, but I'm not in a rush. I tell it to copy, go get a cup of coffee, go for a walk, come back, it's done. So there is one flaw. You could probably pick a lot of flaws. Let me know notes down below, comments below if you think I do this wrong. But probably my biggest risk, and I'm not that bad at this, I don't have this issue that often, is I get them from my SD card and I put them on my SSD, my hard drive that's connected to my computer, and then I quit. I very seldom do that. When I get my photos and when I take my SD card out of my camera, I have full intentions to go from my SD card to my computer to my external drives. The next step, it will go on its own over time. So let me know, are you that diligent, or do you rely on some automation to do all your backups for you? As always, subscribe and like. Appreciate it. Hit the notification bell too. That'll let you know when I post new videos. The 2 videos I'm going to give you, one is how to never lose an image with 3 copies, very similar to this video. And I will give you a video on how to cull hundreds or thousands of photos that you've taken on a photo shoot. It's Doug Gabbard, practicing photography. See you next week.